on Cholula? Breakfast tacos?
You see that picture Duncan posted?
You look like a little burrito.
Huh? What?
Hello you guys, I am not feeling my best today. Everyone in the house is sick and it just hit me last night that I am definitely not feeling my 100% either. So we're just gonna have a chill day today. I got a package delivered this morning from ThredUp. One of my goals this year has been to just be a little bit more mindful about what I buy and also to thrift first instead of buying things brand new. And so one of the ways that I'm doing that is through ThredUp. I've heard so many good things. This is actually my first time getting anything from them, so I am pretty excited. I did a closet clean out a couple of months ago and I just now got some credit from it, so I use all those credits to get all the things that I got in this package. So this is what it looks like. I only got a handful of things, but I'm still pretty excited. Oh my gosh, wait, this is so cute. So the first thing I got is this dress. Wow, it is actually gorgeous. It looks so much prettier in person. It's got these cute little pleated detailings and some flowers, some dainty flowers at the bottom. It looks like a little garden. It is gorgeous. I am shocked at how beautiful this dress is. It's by Erica and I got it in a size medium. So I will maybe do a try on haul for you guys at some point today if I'm feeling up to it. The next thing I got is this sweater from J. Crew. I just really loved the print. It's giving vintage, so I went ahead and got it, and I've been really into the button-down cardigans lately. I've been seeing a lot of people wear these cute button-down cardigans with a white t-shirt underneath, and it just looks so cute, very classy, very modest. So I'm really excited about this sweater. I got this other button-down cardigan from Zara. It is just a basic tan cardigan, very, very cute. Oh wait, I actually just noticed too that there's like this cute floral detailing where the buttons are. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And the buttons are all the floral detailing too. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this one. And then the last thing I got is another sweater. It's sweater season. This sweater is a lot lighter. I feel like it's not as heavy. It's from Everlane. It's got the collar to it and it is just very, very cute. I got this one in a size large. hoping that it would be a little bit more oversized. Wait, I'm so excited about all these clothes. Hello you guys, it is actually a couple days later. I feel like I am really good at filming in the morning, and then once it gets later in the day and the chaos just hits me and I'm making lunch and then I'm making dinner, then it starts to get really hard to get out the camera and actually film. So the last time I filmed was Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. I worked yesterday, and I feel like work days for me just don't really count as actual days, if you know what I mean, because I am literally gone all day since I work 12-hour shifts, which ends up turning into like 13 hours because it's technically 12 and a half if you factor in lunch and everything. So basically the whole day is gone, and basically the last time I filmed was kind of like yesterday, if you get what I'm saying. I figured I would go ahead and do my ThredUp Tryon haul so I could actually show you guys everything that I got and what it looks like when it's actually on. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, the first thing is this sweater that has the floral detailing from Zara. I have been loving sweaters like this that have the buttons that go all the way down and has a button that goes all the way up instead of the v-neck ones where the button starts a little bit lower down. I feel like it's modest and it makes me feel more comfortable just wearing something like this. And also I really like anything with buttons because then I can just unbutton and breastfeed if I need to. So this sweater is really cute. It's kind of got those balloon sleeves, you know, and I feel like it's just really flattering. I think I got this in a medium or large. I've been getting all of my sweaters a little bit oversized. Okay, this is the one from J. Crew. I don't love how it fits me as much, but you can just tell it is such good quality. The texture of it is just so soft, and it is still really cute. It just isn't as flattering on me, I don't think. And I also don't like how it like opens up right here, but I still really like it. I feel like it's giving me Eskimo, you know? Okay, last one is the one from Everlane, and this one is 10 out of 10. I feel like it fits really nice. I really like the length of it. I feel like it's really flattering. I like the buttons, the collar, all around just really cute. And I think I got this one in a large, so it's a little bit oversized. Okay, last thing is this dress, and I am obsessed. So this is what it looks like. I love the little garden that's on the bottom of the dress, and I love all the little flowers all throughout. I just feel like it's such a cute, dainty print, and I just love it. I also love that it has pockets. The only thing I would change about this dress is that the string part of it is just so short, I feel like. Or wait, is it supposed to tie at the back? Okay, I actually think it was supposed to tie in the back like that. So maybe I was just doing it wrong. But I feel like when you tie in the back, it is a little bit more flattering. So maybe that's how you do it. Unsure, but either way, I still love this dress. It's very cute. It's by the brand Erica, which I actually had never heard of before. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you guys before I go ahead and make lunch is my makeup collection that I really just minimized as much as I could. I purged everything and I only have a couple things left. I'm gonna try to fit all of my day-to-day makeup in this bag so that I have it ready to go if I'm traveling anywhere. Even just for day-to-day use, I feel like it'll be really easy to just grab this bag and do my makeup and know that everything is in one place. I'll show you guys what all I'm putting in here. Okay, so this is all of my makeup. Everything in here is pretty much stuff that's extra. So I have like a red lipstick in here, lip gloss I don't really use that much. This lip shade is a little bit darker than I really like for a normal day-to-day use. And then I have And then I also have this eyeshadow palette in here that I was gifted, but I just don't really use any of these colors on a day-to-day basis. So I'm just leaving that in this bin. And then some other things are these little things for your eyelash curler, and then some pencil sharpeners. So that's pretty much it for my extras bin. And then this stuff I pretty much do use on a day-to-day basis. So this is a blush, highlighter, and bronzer set that I got as a gift as well. And I usually use this brush with it. Honestly, all of my makeup brushes are so old and I can't even remember exactly where I got all of this. This is the Laneige lip mask. This is very well loved. I hardly have any of it left. It's pretty much all gone. And then I have my concealer. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I'm trying to buy more travel size things because I have never once finished a makeup product. This one is a blush from Glossier, and then I have two other milk blushes. One of them is more of like a orangey red tint, and then this one is more of a pink. I have always used the Supergoop brand. I love how it feels on my skin. I've also used the glow screen one, and that one is really nice too. These are the mascaras that I use. This one was also a gift, but I really like this one. And then this one is the one by Thrive, and it is a tubing mascara, which I've been really liking tubing mascara because it comes off so easily. And then I also have two lip pencils that I don't really use very much, so I'm probably gonna just throw that in this bin. And then lastly, I have my eyelash curler, which please ignore how dirty that is. And then these are my eyeshadows from Kaja. This is the lightest shade that I usually use to set my concealer, and then the other two I use for my lid. And that is pretty much it for everything in my makeup bag. I'm also going to go ahead and throw in the deodorant that I use because it's just something I use every single day. So I'm just going to pop that in there. But if you guys have never tried the Curie brand, I think they were on a Shark Tank. Chad and I both really like their deodorants. I love the grapefruit one. Chad uses the coconut one, and they all just smell really good. So anyway, that is it for everything in my makeup bag. I am about to make some lunch. I'm gonna do some apricot chicken by Half Baked Harvest. This is a meal that I've made quite a lot. It's just simple, easy, and delicious, and pretty healthy. I'm gonna do twice the amount of chicken though, and I'm just gonna microwave a bag of broccoli as our veggie. So it'll be a little bit different, but the same. Hello you guys, it is actually a little bit later in the day. We are about to go out to dinner with some of our friends. We're gonna get some sushi. So I am gonna try and pack a couple snacks for Boston to bring. Anytime we go somewhere and we need Boston to behave, we always have to pack some snacks that we know he's going to like. So one of those are these cheddar bunnies from, oh, it's like, what is that brand called? It's like the organic, we got them on Thrive Market. They are just little cheddar bunnies, and we usually just throw them in a cup like this and let him chow down. His little snack cup. And then this one has some little graham crackers in it. I think it's the Simple Mills ones. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. So now we got 2 things of snacks. So hopefully he is happy the entire time at dinner. We're probably gonna order him some food at dinner, and then after he's done, and then whenever he is done eating and he just needs a little something something, then we'll give him some snacks. I feel like going to a restaurant with a toddler can be very anxiety inducing because they are just so unpredictable. You just never know how they are going to be. It depends on their mood that night. And sometimes they just end up throwing things everywhere. But I feel like it's important to get out as much as we can and just get him used to being in a social setting and knowing how to behave. So I'm glad we're doing it, but I'm a little bit nervous. We do go out to eat pretty often, so I feel like it'll be okay, but it has been a little while since we've been sick and it's been cold out. In the wintertime, it's just a little bit harder to actually get out and do stuff. But anyway, let me show you guys what I'm wearing, because I'm wearing one of the sweaters that I got from ThredUp. I'm wearing one of the sweaters that I got from ThredUp, and then I'm wearing these sweater pants that are brown, and then for shoes I'm just wearing these UGG dupes. Let me show you guys. They are just simple beige, and I feel like they are just perfect and go with every single outfit, so really like these. Anyway, we are about to head out, so I will see you guys in a little bit.